So as you know, I've been reviewing the FLSun V400. Now, one of the things that I love to do when I get a new piece of electronics is throw on my FLIR-1 camera and check what the heat signatures are of this new electronic. Now check this out. One thing that I was truly impressed about is how consistent the bed temperatures were across the entire build plate. No cold spots, no hot spots, consistency all across. This is a big, big thing for 3D printing, especially when you need consistency, because what happens if there's an inconsistency in heating? Well, for one, you get lifting, right? You get warping. And that I don't think you're going to see on the V400. That consistency of temperature throughout the build plate's actually quite impressive. So, another thing that was really cool, this is more of a nerdy thing to look at, is check out that print head going round and round and printing. You can see the molten plastic as it runs around at 210 degrees and as it cools. You can see the consistency of the hot end. Granted, it's a lot tighter. You can't see fully what the nozzle's doing, but check that out. How cool is that? Very rare do you get to see something this up close with 3D printing in terms of temperature. More of a different aspect of looking at 3D printing. Look at those layers being thrown down at that speed. Cooling from the dual-sided fan. You can see how fast it's printing and laying it down consistently. Definitely a different view to 3D printing, right? What do you think? But again, consistency, that's important. And that's what we're seeing here on the V400 from FLSun. Very cool.